Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Acura RDX wiper blades full guide. Lift the wiper arm away from the windshield and locate the release tab on the blade, then press the tab to unclip the old blade and slide it off. Check the new blade for the adapter that matches your arm, align it carefully, and snap the new blade into place until you hear a click. Start by lifting the wiper arm gently and positioning it so it stays away from the glass. Press the small release tab on the blade assembly and slide the blade down the arm to free it. If the blade sticks, wiggle it slightly while holding the arm to prevent sudden movement. Once removed, lay the old blade beside the new one to confirm adapter compatibility and length before installation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so you get more car tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which has voice control and makes keeping your garage tidy after a wiper swap much easier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want similar recommendations, drop a comment. Now let's get back to the video. Align the new blade's adapter with the wiper arm hook or pin, then slide the blade into place until you feel and hear it lock securely. Carefully lower the arm onto the windshield to avoid snapping, then repeat the process on the other side. Turn on the wipers and run them at low speed to ensure even contact and no streaking, and tighten any loose adapters if you detect movement or noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.